If I enter any name in the data, like salesperson Ramesh, it has to extract only Ramesh. Okay. See. Hi friends, this is Excel Guru Rajinikanth, and here is a wonderful query that as per sheet name data should extract. Okay, as per sheet name. Whenever we change the sheet name, the data should extract accordingly. Like I entered a March over here, so it has to display only March records only, not other than that. If I enter any name in the data, like salesperson Ramesh, it has to extract only Ramesh. Okay. See, if I enter any product name like furniture, for if you are NITURG, then it has to extract. Okay, I spell it wrong. If you are NITURG, furniture. Okay. So you can drag this formula over here also. Okay. I'll show you the method how to do it. Whenever it's not a VBA, but I'm using only Excel 2010 functions. Right. Now, I will zoom a little bit so that you can able to watch clearly. Here, I'm copying the data from here. Okay, no need of that. Okay. See, from here, I will do it. Okay, from here. First of all, there is a function called a cell where it will pick up the what you'll say, the file name. Okay, the actually where this Excel file located in the desktop or in the computer. Okay, so there is a function called file name. I enter file name, close parenthesis, enter. So it will display that this file saved in here, that is here. It is saved here with the name of that. Okay. And sheet name is furniture, as you can see over here. Okay. The sheet name, this is the sheet name. The furniture is the sheet name. If I enter Ramesh, furniture will automatically change to Ramesh. Right. So here what I'll do means F2, I remove everything. Before that, there is a delimiter. See, observe, guys. There is a delimiter like close square brackets. Okay. So we have to find the position of close square bracket to remove from first to square bracket. Okay. So what I'll do here, I use a search function, search of square bracket in this. Okay. So pick up the square bracket position. First of all, because we have to remove from first to still square bracket, the position of the square bracket. So I press F9 so that it will display the position, actually where it is, the square bracket where it is. F9, 47. 47th position contains close square bracket. So here what I'll do again here, I use a replace function and old text will be this one, cell of file name, this one. Already I mentioned this one. Okay, comma, and the starting number is 1 and the number of characters from first to how many characters you want to replace. That is number 47. And what you have to keep in that first to 47. I'll make it a blank. It's called a blank. Okay. F9. Okay, somewhere went wrong here. Mhm. Replace of old text, right? Starting number, right? Number of characters, right? Okay, here is Okay, I remove search function from here. Search off. Okay. Now F9. Ramesh. Okay. Done. See, I press only enter here. If I change Ramesh to any month or if what you'll say, what are the products are there, let me check. Okay, I'll make it any place like Guntur or Guntur. So Ramesh will change to Guntur. Okay, see here. Done. Now, what I'll do here, I'll come to here. What I'll do here, F2, search of Guntur over here in the data, in this data. Okay. How many do you need? I need only four columns, four rows, sorry. F4, only four. Okay, close parenthesis. Wherever it finds the place, it will pick up the position and remaining it will show you the value error, F9. Okay, there is one over here. See, you can check it out. One. One. Okay, one. Wherever it finds the place, it will pick up the position that is one. Because it starts with G and here checks it G. So it starts the position G1. So I want to remove errors and I need the numbers. For that reason, what I'll do here, I use ease number. Okay, ease number. What ease number will do? The value will become falses and number will become true. F9. Okay, value is removed and kept at this one. Done. Now, what I'll do here, it's very easy. Small if. Small if you find any number over there, if any number is true, then pick up of this. Only this. Okay, everything I'll keep it out. Okay. F4. No, no. Okay. I'll keep as a row here. Row of this. Minus row of A3 F4 plus 1. And K will be rows of $n2. The formula in $2. N2. Close parenthesis, close parenthesis. So it will give the position where it occurs. The number went wrong here. Where I went wrong here, let me check. Logical test. Yes, value true. Yes. Yes only. Value to value false. Nothing is there. Yes, small. Okay, I'll take it small here. Array. Okay, I kept it full stop here. I have to keep comma over here. Enter. One. Okay. How many are there? Five, I think. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Control R. I'll make it down. Still here. Control D. Okay, it will give all the positions. Okay. See, you can take it out that all positions. Simply, I use F2 index of. Here, you have to follow one logic that you have to lock only the row but not the column, because whenever I drag this formula, it has to move accordingly. That A3, it will convert to B3. Again, if I drag formula, so B3 will convert to C3, like that. Okay. For that reason, I have not locked the columns. I locked the rows. Rows should not move, only columns should move. Now see the magic. Enter. Control R. I'll make it down. Still here. Control D. To show you the errors, okay, you can, it's an array function. You have to use Control Shift and Enter. I'm using 365. For that reason, I'm using only enter. Okay, actually you have to enter Control Shift and enter for this. If you find any error in this function, if it is large data, you have to use another method. It's a short data. For that reason, I'm using if error. If it's a large data, I explained in the previous video that you have to use rows greater than all those things. Okay, it's a small data. Enter. Control D. See, as per Guntur, here you can check it out that here you can check it out. It's a Guntur. Okay, if you want, you can check it out. If I change Guntur to some May, okay, think that May. May. Okay, if I click on enter, it has to display here. Observe guys, it will display only Mays. Okay, MA by May. If I rechange this to any, what you'll say, any product like LED TVs. Okay, LED TV. Okay, TVs actual, sorry, not TV. TVs F2 TVs. See, all LED TVs. Then guys, it's very, very important. So if at all, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the Telegram group or in this comment box. If you are not understanding anything in this formula, so you can go ahead and ask me. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support.